Hello students, this is Renu and today I'll cover class ninth poem The Road Not Taken composed by Robert Frost, who is an American poet. So before starting the explanation, I would like to tell you in brief what is the poem about. So as you can see here the picture and the name is The Road Not Taken. So you can get a hint the poem is about roads. Actually, in this poem, the poet compares our life with roads. Sometimes in life, we people get stuck. We get confused while taking the decisions. So, by sharing his life experience, the poet Robert Frost wants to tell us that we must select the thing that is tougher, that is actually done by rare number of people. Very few people choose something different in life. So whenever we choose something different from crowd, we really do a remarkable job. And after few years, after few times, we feel proud on our experience, on our decision. So in this poem, the poet Robert Frost wants to tell us that we must take decisions thoroughly and the decisions that suits us, that works for us, and really in future after taking these decisions we must feel proud. So now let's begin with poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I couldn't travel both. And be one traveler long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. So here, firstly I would like to explain difficult words, that is diverged. Diverged means separated. Wood refers here forest. Undergrowth represents dense growth of plants and bushes. So let's begin with first line. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. So the poet is standing on the corner from where he could see the diversion of two roads. So further he says, and sorry I couldn't travel both. That he was feeling regretted कि he couldn't go on both sides. Finally, he had to choose one out of them. And be one traveler long I stood. And for thinking which one is better, he kept standing there for hours and looked down one as far as I could. And he kept watching as far as he could to where it bent in the undergrowth, where he found dense growth of plants and bushes. So, if we connect these lines with our lives, sometimes in our life, we are on that point. We have two things to do, and we have to choose one out of them. So, we are in confusion, we are in dilemma. What should we do? Then, if we want to do both the things, so it is not possible for us. Then we start thinking, we think thoroughly, and then we follow the path that is taken by the so many number of people, by a big number of people. But what did the poet do? Let's take another stanza. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted fear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So here, difficult words are wanted where. Wanted where means had not been used. So, what did the poet do? Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. So the poet thought कि the road that he's chosen by lesser number of people, that is looking very fair, so perhaps that could have better claim, means that could be better for him, because it was grassy and wanted fair, means it was looking like that कि it was grassy and it wanted कि someone should come and walk on. Though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. But after going on the road, the poet realizes both the roads are same. So here the poet wants to tell us that it becomes with us also. Whenever we want to choose something better in our life, so we kept thinking about the decisions, the paths, the problems. Then we take one out of them that have better claim. The thing that is better for us, we actually choose that. Same has been done by the poet also. He thought कि this one will be better for me and he tried to go on. Let's take next stanza. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. So here the difficult word is trodden. Trodden means to be walked. So in this stanza, the poet wants to tell us that when he started his journey, he find difference between the two paths. But when he was consistent, then he find both the roads are equal. There is no difference. So here the poet wants to tell us that whenever we start a journey, we find difficulties. We find like we are alone here. But after few days, after few moments, we find so many people like us. And then we realized we are not all alone. So same the poet feels. Further the poet says, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So the poet is facing difficulties. Then he said, should I go back? Should I leave the path? Should I leave the challenges? Should I go to back? Then he finds no. Means whenever we start a journey, there are so many difficulties in our way. There are so many problems. So few of us just leave our passion, our dream, just because of few difficulties. So here the poet indirectly wants to tell us in every path, in every decision, we face difficulties. One who wants to do something better than others, wants to achieve something big in our life, will face the problem. But problems doesn't mean we should leave, we should go back, we should be consistent, we should go on and go on, and definitely one day we'll achieve whatever we want to achieve. So let's take next answer. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the difference. So here, firstly, I would like to explain difficult words that are sigh. Sigh means deep breath. Hands. Hands represents here in future, the time of future. So let's begin the poem. I shall be telling this with a sigh. So here in this stanza, the poet wants to tell us that whenever he was going on and going on, so he has a doubt in his mind. Should he go back or not? Then he start thinking कि in future I shall be telling with a sigh means I'll be taking deep breath and will be telling to peoples somewhere ages and ages hence, whenever the time will be past, and people will come to me and they will ask about my experience, about my achievements. So then I'll tell them two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. So out of them I choose the one that was taken by a lesser number of people. And then I'll tell them, I'll share my experience, my achievements. That is the thing that made all the differences. So here I think you understood the deep feeling of poet presented in this poem. So whenever we choose something tough, something big, something different, it makes changes. We feel proud on our decisions. Only that the poet wants to express in this poem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like it and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.